Wow, this CeraVe moisturizing cream feels so rich. Ceramides and hyaluronic acid instantly hydrate my dry skin, restoring the skin barrier. Love it.
So hydrating, my skin felt instantly softer.
Keeps my dry patches gone all day.
Gentle and non-irritating, perfect under makeup.
It restores my barrier fast. I've seen real improvement.
This intensive moisturizing cream restores and protects your skin barrier with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, delivering long-lasting hydration for dry to very dry skin, gentle, non-greasy, and dermatologist recommended.
Our moisturizing cream harnesses ceramides and hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and repair the skin barrier, leaving dry skin soothed, resilient, and healthy. Trusted daily care for everyone.
I just made all of these ads in 10 minutes using AI. Same product, 4 completely different ad styles, and I didn't even film anything. I literally passed a product link into this tool called HiggsField Click-to-Ad, picked a few presets, and generated everything. Now here is what we are doing completely different in this tutorial. Most people show you how to make one ad and move on. But that's not how real campaign work. You need multiple variations to test what converts. So I am taking one single product and creating 4 completely different ad styles with it. Unboxing, testimonials, lifestyle, and the product demo. Same product, 4 different angles. No hiring multiple creators, no spending $500 per video. If you are running ad or doing brand deals, this is going to change how you test your creatives. So let's get into it. Alright, first thing, log into HiggsField. If you don't have an account yet, I'll drop the link in the description. Once you're in, you'll see this option. Turn any product into video ad. Click that. Now all you need is a product link. This works with Amazon, Shopify, pretty much any of the product page. For this demo, I am using CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. It's a popular skincare product perfect for testing UGC ads, and I am going to paste the link right here. And now HiggsField is doing all the heavy lifting. It's scrapping the product images, reading the description, extracting brand colors, and even finding the logo. This usually takes about a minute, so I'm going to speed up this for you. And done. Check this out. It pulled all the product images, grabbed the CeraVe branding, and even extracted the key details from the product page. And I can review and edit this if I want. But honestly, the auto script info is usually solid, so I'm just going to hit continue. Now here's where it gets so fun. HiggsField gives you this preset ad styles. Each one is optimized for different types of content. Unboxing, testimonials, lifestyle, demo, all are designed for social media. For this CeraVe product, I'm going to generate 4 different styles to show you the variety. And let's go with the first up, unboxing. This is the just go, and let me show you the vibe. Perfect for building the curiosity. I'll select that and hit generate. And let's wait for the outcome. And here is the first ad.
Wow, this CeraVe moisturizing cream feels so rich. Ceramides and hyaluronic acid instantly hydrate my dry skin, restoring the skin barrier. Love it.
Not bad, right? Clean, professional, and ready to use. But here is the pro move. Don't stop at once. Let me generate the second style. Now I'm switching to customer review. This is the testimonial angle. I have been using this, and here is what happened. This style works really well for building trust, and it feels so authentic, like a real person sharing their experience. Let me generate this one. And here it is.
So hydrating, my skin felt instantly softer.
Keeps my dry patches gone all day.
Gentle and non-irritating, perfect under makeup.
It restores my barrier fast. I've seen real improvement.
See the difference? Same product, totally different energy. This one feels more personal and more relatable. If you are running a Facebook or Instagram ads, this style usually performs really well because it doesn't feel like an ad. Alright, third one. This time I'm going with cozy morning. This is the lifestyle angle. Morning skincare routine vibes, aspirational but still authentic. This is a kind of a content that goes well on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Generating now. And boom, here is the third ad.
Cream restores and protects your skin barrier with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, delivering long-lasting hydration for dry to very dry skin, gentle, non-greasy, and dermatologist recommended.
Look at that, again same product. But now we have got three completely different vibe. Curiosity, trust, and the lifestyle. But I'm not done yet. Let me show you one more. And for fourth one, I am using the product story. This is more of demo style ad and it focuses on what the product does and benefits the features. This works great for mid funnel audience who already know about their product category but need to understand why this specific one is worth buying. So as you can see on the screen, I have just backed and let me click on generate this and here we go.
Our moisturizing cream harnesses ceramides and hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and repair the skin barrier, leaving dry skin soothed, resilient, and healthy. Trusted daily care for everyone.
Perfect. So now I have four completely different ads. Unboxing for curiosity, customer reviews for trust, cozy morning for lifestyle appeal, and product story for education. Same product, four different marketing angles, and all are ready to test.
Wow,
So
this
in
CeraVe
about
moisturizing
just
cream
few of our
feels
minutes,
so
I went
rich.
from a product link
Ceramides and
to four
hyaluronic
ready to
acid
use
instantly
UGC
hydrate my
ads.
dry skin,
No cameras,
restoring the
no
skin
actor,
barrier.
no hiring,
Love
four
it.
different creators. And here is why
So
this
hydrating,
matters.
my skin
If you are
felt
running
instantly
ad
softer.
campaigns, you need
Keeps
to
my
test
dry patches
multiple
gone all
creatives.
day.
One ad
Gentle and
rarely works
non-irritating.
right
Perfect
out
under
of the gate.
makeup.
It
With this
restores my
tool, you
barrier
can
fast.
generate
I've seen
5,
real
10 different
improvement.
variations, run them all in your campaigns, and see which one actually converts. Then you scale the winner and kill the rest. That's how agencies do it. And now you can do it too without spending hundreds of dollars per video. Once you are happy with your ads, just click
This
download
intensive
and they are
moisturizing
ready to
cream
go.
restores
You
and
can
protects
upload
your
them
skin
straight
barrier
to
with
Facebook
ceramides and
Ads Manager,
hyaluronic acid,
TikTok ads,
delivering
Google
long-lasting
ads,
hydration for
wherever
dry to
you are
very
running
dry
the
skin,
campaign.
gentle,
And if you want
non-greasy,
to
and
add
dermatologist
custom text
recommended.
overlays, trim
Our
the length,
moisturizing
or
cream
tweak the
harnesses
music, you
ceramides
can
and
throw them
hyaluronic
into
acid to
CapCut
deeply
or
hydrate
any
and
of the
repair the
video
skin
editors.
barrier, leaving
But
dry skin
honestly,
soothed,
for
resilient,
most
and
use
healthy.
cases,
Trusted
these
daily
are
care for
ready to use
everyone.
as it is. Alright, before we wrap up, let me give you 3 pro tips to get most out of this tool. Pro tip 1. Always generate multiple styles. Don't just pick one template and call it done. Generate 3, 4, 5 different variations using different presets. Test them all in your campaign and let the data tell you which one works. Pro tip 2. The better product page, the better AI output. If you're using sketchy dropshipping link with blurry images, the tool can only work with what it got. Use clean product page with professional photos. And third tip is look, I'm not saying this replaces professional UGC creators for every use case, but for rapid testing, for seeing which angle works before you spend $500 on a creator, this is a game changer. Once you find a winning ad, you can always hire a real UGC creator to recreate it, even with higher production value. So yeah, that's the HiggsField Click-to-Ad. Paste the product link, pick your ad styles, and generate in just 10 minutes. I made 4 UGC ads that would cost me around $400 to $600 to outsource. But if you are running e-commerce, doing brand deals, or testing ad creatives, this tool is worth checking out. Link to HiggsField is in the description. They have a free plan, you can test it out yourself. And if you want to move AI tool breakdown like this, subscribe because I am testing every tool that actually moves the needle for creators. Drop a comment if you try this out. I want to see what ads you make. Alright, I'll catch you up in the next one.